Vitrified tiles have a class of their own. Longevity, mind-blowing, and styles, well, have your pick. The perfect mix which has been tried and tested for vitrified tiles is clay and silica with a small amount of feldspar, and this being subjected under very high temperatures allows you to have a very solid tile, and therefore you get these perfect vitrified tiles that are absolutely made to last. Hello and welcome, my name is Mayuri Nagar, and today we will be entering the wild and vivid world of vitrified tiles. What you see here is not all that you get. My Tiles collection of homegrown and imported tiles brings the best of budget, style and designer finds under one roof. 1500 plus finds await you. Shop at mytiles.com. The popularity of vitrified tiles is unmatchable. With 0.5% of absorption rate of water, these are almost water resistant, and therefore heavy rainfalls cannot really give you any problems. These are perfect for wet and semi-wet areas. But that's not all that makes it absolutely popular. The amount of ranges in terms of design and styles and patterns are plethora. You will be spoiled for choice. There is everything for everybody's taste. And that's not all. The last and most important point in selecting any tile is pricing. When you look at the pricing bit, it starts from 35 rupees per square feet and can go upwards depending upon the tile, make, design and pattern. And one more thing, they are extremely easy to install. Once installed perfectly as per the guidance and the expert touches, these really are very low maintenance as far as daily cleanups are concerned. Vitrified tiles have been categorized into three main types. One being the nano tile, the nano polished tile, and second one being the double charged vitrified tile, and third one being GVT or glazed vitrified tiles. Now they have been given these names, but primarily their applications are for very specific purpose and for very specific spaces, and that's exactly what differentiates one from the other. So now we are looking at all three examples of nano polished tile. Nano polished tile is basically a very protective layer over the sturdy vitrified tile. And what does it really provide? It provides an extremely shiny texture with that slight glossiness that we all seek. Of course, because of this particular layer being really thin, these designs come in a specific color, which is ivory or off-white or beige color. So well, the color palette might remain same, but the designs and textures underneath are many. For example, if you look at this one, this almost has a very slanting, almost like a marble, like a very minute grain effect, almost very minute texture over here. Whereas if you look at this one, this sort of mimics a wooden texture, but in off-white or beige over here. And this one again is something a little bit more transitional, almost a leaf-like pattern that has been repeated over and over again underneath the polish. Now, if you look at just the pricing perspective, the price often starts from 35 rupees per square feet and can go upwards depending upon other details. Talking about sizing of these tiles, these are 2 by 2 feet tiles, which makes them really easy to be used and installed in larger spaces, makes it faster and easier to finish your work. So now the second type is the double charged vitrified tiles that we are going to explore now. These are all the types of double charged vitrified tiles. What is it really in the name over here? Let's try and understand. So double charged vitrified tiles are typically heavier and thicker in their depth, or the thickness of the tile is more, and that's because the top layer is actually comprising of only the pattern, and this top layer is about 2 to 3 mm. Let's quickly have a look at this. So these two layers are very easily visible on the side, and that really gives it the name double charge vitrified tiles. Now, what's the specific purpose of these tiles? Let's try and understand. These tiles are very high on durability and longevity, and that makes them the perfect partner for high traffic areas like shopping malls, airports, hospitals, any other public space that you can think of, or a commercial space that you can think of. Even railway stations for that matter can really hold them. They also have been applied in shopping malls, just not on the flooring or in entrances, but even the back entry of shopping malls. And that really is what makes them a high demand piece in high traffic and commercial areas. Another feature that makes these tiles extremely popular for commercial spaces is the fact that they are absolutely scratch resistant because of the design being almost 2 to 3 mm thick. That's a huge plus. Plus, in addition to that, unlike the polished tiles that we saw, these come in lighter as well as darker shades.
These tiles have a shade range that is much more diverse, with lighter shades that include greys, whites, cream, ivory and gold. Darker ones include primary colors like orange, magenta and shades of blue. Their variety in size is even better.
These tiles are extremely convenient for commercial areas because they are available in 2x2s, 2x4s and 3x3 feet slabs. So that means it's very easy and fast to cover large commercial areas. They come in two types of finishes. One is glossy and second is satin matte. They start from a price range of 42 rupees per square feet and can go upwards depending upon different type of patterns available. Versus polished tiles, they definitely have more color options, although the patterns might be slightly limited, but there are a lot of color options. Even pattern options for that matter are not that limited.
Lighter shades are generally priced lower than the darker shades of double charge vitrified tiles.
Glazed vitrified tiles, glazed polished vitrified tiles or digitally made tiles are all the same. In fact, if you look at these tiles, they are primarily known for plethora of options in terms of patterns, textures. They are decorated with patterns and textures. Recent developments led to diversity, multiple finishes like carving, sugar, looks, rustic, replication of most minor details and durability. And the sizes that are available are 4x6, 2x4, 4x8, 3x6 feet. So many options in so many sizes. With modern digital printing processes, your design can be as intricate or as bold as you want. Well, glazed vitrified tiles or GVT is known for the variety in terms of finishes, designs and patterns. But we wanted to specifically talk to you about some very important finishes that are available that set one apart from the other. The first one that we are looking at is the carving finish. The carving finish has carved details like this, and you will see these very particularly getting highlighted when the light falls on them. They are very graceful looking tiles and almost give a marble effect. Let's look at the second option. The second one is the sugar finish. Now, why is it called the sugar finish? It has a grainy texture, just like how when you touch sugar crystals, they give you the same type of texture. So this is over here and over here. Now you might see that the pattern over here is similar to probably these, but the finish is totally different. It also imparts some kind of an anti-skid nature to this. So very nice finish for say semi-wet or outdoor or even wet areas. You can apply these. See, it's very nice texture. And the third finish that we are looking at is the rustic texture, the rustic finish. The rustic finish has slight indentations across the tile, and you also have these almost slightly grainy textures and worn off look. If you see the color also, the color profile of the tile, it's kind of distressed and worn off in certain spaces. You will find lots of color options over here and here, and in fact for all of these tiles, but these finishes are what you can really look out for if you prefer something specific. We are now looking at the carving texture, the carving finish in 4x8 slab tiles. They have been put together. These are beautiful vitrified tiles that really bring the character out, especially the carved veins that you can see over here absolutely shine through and give it a gorgeous marble effect. Full body tiles, or as they're also called, homogeneous tiles, are one of my personal favorite and absolutely divine. And the reason why is because these beautiful colors that you see in these, all of these, they are through and through, because the mineral pigments that are used to give this color are not just applied on top as a coating, but are a part and mixed with the raw materials that are used to make these tiles. And therefore, if you see them, you will actually see the color going through the entire body of the tile, and therefore the name full body tiles. Let me show you quickly. This particular tile that I have in my hand is a 15 mm tile which has a grainy texture and a grainy color pigmentation all across, but this also spreads across the sides completely, and therefore these tiles make a perfect fit for any high traffic or commercial areas that can have a lot of wear and tear over time. A slight chipping in these can never take away the texture of these tiles. However, chipping is a very far-fetched thought because these are vitrified tiles. In fact, they have become so popular in spaces where there are very high climate fluctuations, or in fact even in spaces where stones are needed. So in fact, if you look at this 15 mm tile, this has started to replace countertops in certain spaces and anywhere else, like in terms of furniture or any other applications where stones were used earlier. These are replacing them very quickly and are becoming extremely popular. Their pricing starts from rupees 80 per square feet and can go upwards of even 300 depending upon the make, the type, the design, the pattern and any other such factors. Their profile cutting properties make them an absolute hit in many places, even for that matter bathrooms where niches need to be created. When you cut any tile in 45 degrees, you will actually get to see the layers. But in this case, when you cut them, they will actually show through the pattern that is available throughout the tile, and that makes them perfect when you apply them. Even if there is a slight mismatch in the edges being matching, there will not actually be any show of textures in that case which are underlying, because the texture will be continued, whereas in other cases the layers will be extremely visible, which do not look so clean and aesthetic. You will find them in assorted textures, colors and sizes, including 2 by 2 feet tiles, 2 by 4 feet tiles, 8 by 3 feet slabs and even 10 by 3 feet slabs. Full body vitrified tiles are actually overtaking natural stones, from kitchen counters to tabletops and other furniture items. While they do have a variety of styles like salt and pepper patterns, multiple colors and finishes, there are not that many design options. Embossed and texture slabs double up as excellent panels, whether you want to decorate your wall in your dining area or a lobby of a stylish office space. Just look at the amazing variety of colors. In the pastel collection itself, you have beautiful lavenders, powder blues and even some very pretty purples, followed by some really nice subtle pinks over here. Let's look at some more variety over here. So the ones that we just saw, the pastels, those were of course with satin matte finish, powder matte finish. Here if you look at these have glossy finish, very interesting solids, and some of them have even salt and pepper pattern over here. So multiple finishes as far as these full body tiles are concerned. And then you have these have a slight texture, giving them some anti-skid properties as well as some textural properties, right, just for that visual depth. These look more like almost chipped stone, and therefore I think these are actually making replacing a lot of stones that are available to be used on, say, furniture, kitchens, etc. These are again some beautiful varieties that you can see. Some of them actually have quartz effect. You can see some very nice quartz effect. So these are again great to be used in spaces where stones can be replaced with. This is a 2 by 4 slab And all these finishes, they come in this particular 2x4 slab as well. So definitely something which we must. Again, similar patterns and similar designs, color combinations available. This one is a little bit more sunny and has more, brighter colors. Sage and black, dark, slate gray, which is there. Then you have sage over here. This is a beautiful mustard and a dark black. Very nice to cover up those, backsplashes of any space. Over here, if you look at this one, this has again a different sage green, little bit deeper. This is a blue green, almost like teal. Some nice peach blushes, and then some darker ones, corals as well over here. This is again salt pepper look that we are looking at. I think these are great in terms of applications. Where all can you apply it? This is a full body terrazzo. What a beautiful application, right? The pigment is running through and through on the sides. I can see it, and I think that is the USP of these full body tiles. And then it just doesn't stop here. You have some very nice patterned full body tiles that have, very interesting collection, very interesting motifs. These are semi-modern, semi-contemporary. Some of them are completely contemporary motifs that you can see. They have embossed effect. So there are embossed varieties in this. And this one also, this mimics slate pattern. So you'll see a lot of these flutes or stripes running through. Again, a very nice pattern to look at. And then you have these are promoted primarily for outdoor usage, because they give that very nice outdoor tile kind of look. So these are also great, very good for those outdoor high traffic areas in, say, hotel lobbies, hotels in fact, for that matter, they're outdoor areas. So these are perfect for those. Rest we have, I think, a couple of more of them. These are glossy options, again with so many colors. So this is another one, and the next one we'll have a look at it is, this is again a larger slab than the 2x4. I think this is 3x8 or something. And again over here you will see so many of these options in terms of colors that are available in this size. So great to cover those really large commercial spaces or large outdoor areas where you feel that, or any large high traffic area where you feel that these will be a perfect fit. So now with so many varieties in textures and patterns, let's discuss the next thing, which is dimensions. Again, in vitrified tiles, you will find a lot of dimensions. Let's talk about the range. Typical range that you will find in vitrified tiles is 1x1, which is 12 inches by 12 inches by these kinds, which is 4x8, 4 feet in breadth and 8 feet in height. So this is a typical range. Most of the tiles and patterns that you will see in vitrified will come between these. Vitrified tiles typically range from sizes like 1x1 to 4x8. But what really lies within this particular range is 2x2 and 2x4 slabs, and sometimes even 3x8 slabs. So these are the typical sizes that you will see typically for vitrified tiles, but there are also larger ones like 8x10, 8x12. Those are really big slabs, and of course these have different type of utilities and uses. So for example, if you're trying to cover the entire kitchen with the same slab, you could actually go for 8x10 or 8x12. With one slab you can cut it into pieces and use the entire to line the entire kitchen wall. Another thing which you will see is, for example, when you look at 2x4s, 2x2s or even 1x1s, they are really good to cover different type of areas. Let's talk about that in detail. 8x8 inch and 12x12 inch or 1x1 feet vitrified tiles are amazing for parking spaces and even for Moroccan tile inspired spaces like backsplashes or feature walls. 16x16 vitrified tiles are great for parking spaces and corridors. The design range from wooden finishes to stone finishes and even block designs. So now we are looking at other sizes like 12x12, 12x18, 12x24. This is a 12x24 tile, a vitrified tile which mimics stone cladding or brick cladding. Now these are great from a utility perspective. They are used to line, your outdoor spaces like your pergolas, your garden, walls, etc., or a feature wall in that section, what not. There are options in terms of, applications are many. But what is really good is that they offer some ridges and some other details over here which make them purely decorative, but they also offer some functional benefits like, being more weatherproof compared to other type of tiles just because they're vitrified tiles, right? Or any other options like cladding, etc. So this is a really good way to beautify your space by using this size of vitrified tile. 2x2 flooring tiles are really popular for any type of space. In fact, within these 2x2s, you'll always have nano polished tiles, digitally printed GVD tiles, or for that matter, even your double charge tiles. They make it a perfect combination to use them in spaces that are larger or upwards of 1000 square feet. The convenience of laying and covering such a large area with these tiles is what is the topmost priority for people who choose for these. If the carpet area is larger than 1000 square feet and the primary goal revolves around convenience to price, installation and maintenance, there is no better choice than 2x2 feet. The vitrified tiles of size 2x4 are the new 2x2s. They are really not limited to just flooring, but also have been extended to using them on walls. And that's where their stylistic advantage comes into play. Today you can use 2x4 slabs of vitrified tiles not only on flooring but can be used to line kitchen backsplashes, bathroom backsplashes and even shower surrounds. So many options. It's just that your fantasy needs to take you there and you'll be able to apply these tiles. In fact, because of the stylistic advantage with the new and very, very advanced technology of printing, today you have wallpaper tiles like these behind me, which are the tropical tiles, also are very much used to lining your walls and giving a wallpaper effect. In fact, if you look at this is a typical box set which is already pre-made and installed over here at My Tiles. So you can just come and pick and mix and match and create that wallpaper design for your feature wall. In fact, let's quickly take a look at some poster tiles that are absolutely heaven on earth. You can even go for these Sochario style backsplashes and flooring designs. The range is extremely flexible. It resembles the look of natural stones and are easily installable.
Oh, and by the way, you do not have to do it by yourself. My Tiles Inspiration Gallery has the most exclusive picks on how to style and mix and match tiles for any surface and any space. Head to the link in the bio for more.
So you're now looking at another size, in fact 2 more sizes that we wanted to showcase in front of you. This is a 8" by 4 feet plank basically. So this is a size but that actually imitates your wooden hardwood flooring planks and they kind of really imitate the texture and even the look of your wooden planks, your Victorian wooden planks. In fact, you have another size in this type of look is the 1 by 3 feet size, which is perfect, or 1 by 4 in this case. It's perfect for covering your larger areas, outdoor areas where you wanted to give a wooden feel. But honestly, this does not restrict you from using them indoors. If you're going for those bedrooms that have a very cozy and warm look, you can definitely use these. These are extremely moisture resistant and are absolutely maintenance free as far as when you compare them to hardwood floors which require regular polishing, etc. Well, that's it for today. This was Vitrified Tiles Part 1. We'll catch you soon in the Part 2 of Vitrified Tiles where we talk more about how to install, how to maintain and other such details. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.